Oh, hey there. So this is what we have to do every night.
Seriously.
Just kidding.
Dead
I
air
say
is
Too
okay.
often. Anyway, so I had to fight the cat to get this thing on the ground. But this is the routine for every night. We still have rose petals.
We do. Thank you, Angie.
Yeah.
So, final product. The cat approves. Yeah, you do. Yeah, we end up using the blanket towards the middle of the night when it's actually cooled down enough to, warrant a blanket when it's been 100 degrees all day.
Okay. All right. See you guys later. Subscribe.
Good night.
That's her.